Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Arm. Today we are talking about a body part. The topic of this video is a word you'll have no trouble memorizing, as it is spelled and has the same meaning as the English word. We will learn about the noun der Arm, which means, you guessed it, an arm. Der Arm. Der Arm. Der Arm. Der Arm is a masculine noun and doesn't even have an especially tricky plural. You only add the ending "e". Die Arme. It means, just like in English, an arm. Let's check out the examples. Ich habe ein Tattoo auf meinem linken Arm. I have a tattoo on my left arm. Er verschränkte die Arme und wartete. He folded his arms and waited. Sie wiegt das Baby in ihren Armen. She rocked the baby in her arms. Mein Arm tut weh. My arm hurts. Aua. Tina hat sich den rechten Arm gebrochen. Tina broke her right arm. And want to level up? Here are some phrases with the noun arm. Arm in arm. Arm in arm. Sich jemandem in die Arme werfen. To throw yourself in someone's arms. Jemanden mit offenen Armen empfangen. To welcome someone with open arms. Jemanden auf den Arm nehmen. To lie, to kid, or to tease someone. Pull someone by their leg. Today we learned the word der Arm. It is a masculine noun and its plural form is die Arme. Its meaning shouldn't be too hard to learn, as it means, as the English word, an arm. And now time for a little Übung. Which of these words fits in the sentences and phrases with Arm? Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!